Here you can find tech-related updatable information. How can I assist you with some catchy song lyrics today?
This AI tool can make you 10K this month. Opus Pro can take any long YouTube video you have and cut it into small, short clips with just one click. It will find interesting parts from your longer video and change it into 1-minute short clips, complete with captions and auto-framing. You can use this technique to create a ton of shorts quickly and use them to grow your social media pages, where you then use a platform that lets you make money for each person you bring to newsletters. This can be between $2 to $4 based on your niche. It's a paid feature called Boost that costs $100 per month, but you only need 25 referrals to cover that, and it can easily help you earn 10K in 1 month. All you have to do is refer 2,500 people to other newsletters to make 10K, and that can easily be done with running multiple social media pages. You can get the full blueprint in my bio.